Starlink Kit Installation Guide for Home, School, Office, or any remote area. 1. Kit components. Make sure the following items are included: Starlink dish, dishy, mounting stand or pole, Wi-Fi router, power cables, Ethernet or connection cables, hammer and wrench installation steps. Step 1. Choose a location. Open sky. Place the dish outdoors in a wide, open area. It must have a clear view of the sky, especially facing north, in southern hemisphere Africa, or upwards with no obstructions like trees, walls, or roofs. Distance. Keep the dish at least 5 to 10 meters away from tall objects. Step 2. Mount the dish. Place the dish on flat, stable ground or mount it on a roof or pole using the stand. Point it upward at a slight angle, with the cable connection end tilted toward the equator. Step 3. Connect the kit. Connect the dish to the router using the provided cable. Plug the router into a power source, solar inverter, battery, or mains power. Wait a few minutes. Dishy will automatically align itself to the satellite. Satellite dish. Finding the satellite. Starlink satellites are in low Earth orbit. You do not need to manually aim the dish. It uses motorized alignment. Use the Starlink app, iOS, Android. Go to check for obstructions. The app uses your phone's camera to simulate the sky view. It will tell you if your chosen location is good or obstructed. Important conditions: power. Ensure a stable power source. Solar kits or generators work well in remote schools. Weather. Rain or storms may affect performance, but the system is weather resistant. Security. Mount securely to avoid theft or wind damage. Final check. The router will emit a Wi-Fi signal. Connect your phone or computer to the Starlink network. Use a browser to check internet access. You can monitor performance in the Starlink app. Our courses are available on our e-learning www.say-act.org.